Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to schedule reels for a later date inside the Facebook Business Suite. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get straight into it. Alright guys, go ahead and open up your Facebook Business Suite. Make sure you are logged in, and then from here what you want to do is click onto Reel, like so, and then choose a video to schedule for a later date. I'm going to schedule this video. I'll click on next, and now you can add a description here, like so, and then from here you can add some hashtags and tag people as well. And then down below here it says scheduling options, click on schedule for a later date, and now choose your day that you like to schedule it to. So if you want to schedule it for a week's time, I'm going to click the 25th and then set it to OK. Click on OK. You can even choose the time. So if I want to do midday, I'll just make that midday, like so. Click on OK. Click on schedule, and then click on the blue schedule reel button on the bottom of this page. And as it says, it may take a few minutes to schedule your reel, but that reel is now scheduled for 1 week's time at 12. So yeah, that's just a quick video of how to schedule reels inside a Facebook Business Suite. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.